This time we continue to see what the internal structure of the wire feeder is and how to change the wire. When inserting a circle of wire into the wire feeder, we must pay attention to the direction of insertion. Our machines generally use aluminum magnesium wire with a thickness of 1.2 mm. The dual drive feeding structure can actively ensure the speed and time of wire feeding and landing. When everything is ready, then we can proceed to the welding operation. The protective ground clamp must be in contact with the welding or the welding material, located on the operating table to emit the laser, otherwise the laser will not come on. Next, find PES laser welding machine user type 5.